Welcome back to part 2 of our cruise vlog on the P&O Arvia. Hopefully this will give you a real insight of the ship and the Caribbean. In the meantime, sit back, put the kettle on and join us on board for another cruise. Anyone for a rum punch? Rum punch clock?
Welcome to St. Martin, how are you? I'm so happy for you coming back to St. Martin again.
Rating the beach out of 10, sir?
10.
10? And it's cheers. Yeah.
Yeah man, welcome to Antigua. Hi guys.
Telling me to dance, taking a chance. Telling me to dance, taking a chance. Telling me to dance, taking a chance.
Saying the dinner last night was shakalaka laka laka laka. Yeah, just want to mention it. Shakalaka laka. This is the lady from last year, and she sold us lots of lovely things.
She did.
Come to Paynes Beach, and she'll sort you out. And I'm still wearing my bits and
You're
pieces.
still wearing your necklace.
Yeah, and I wore especially for you today.
Oh, that's so good. That's a
And I see you next year with all the good news from London. Signing out.
This lady's immense, right? Yeah. I thought I could whistle loud this. What, any fingers to do? Two. Two. Go, let's go. I might make it sound really filthy, but go for 2 fingers. Yeah. You just blew the lights out, girl.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Yo, well, it's my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Yo, well, it's my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go.
We're in Martinique today. It's supposed to be 29 degrees. Behind us is the ship. We just have a little wander. There's no actual beach. Well, there's a little town beach, I think. But we've been across the river before, whatever it is, the other side. Just look around the town and the church.
Oh, the organist was really
I bought a bum bag. Sorry, a bum bag. Got a bit excitable then.
I enjoyed listening to the organist in the church.
Let's do that. Sarah went to listen to the organist. What was this with his organ? Sarah?
Church organ.
Church organ. And these are the biggest. Look at the size of these things. These are like cacti. What are these? Palms. Palms. Look at the size of them. Look at them. Just look at them. So if you ever come to Martinique, it's the French side, so you need euros, just to remind you. But yeah, just remember to bring some euros. Well, we're just lazy, so we couldn't be bothered to queue at reception for all our euros. We should have got them the night before. There's another tip for you.
Fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere is homebound. We are kings of the world. Kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world.
colour are we going to be today? Blue. I'm going to be blue, Sarah.
Huh?
Oh my god, there's more. Is this all hair? Hair extensions?
It's like a super drug, but equivalent.
This is the hair extension shop. You know that's called. There's a name for that. And I forgot what it's called. Fanny hair.
Muff. It's 100% human hair, no less. Look.
Yeah, I know.
It's a crowning glory.
There's more.
Not cream egg. We have egg cream.
Egg cream.
Face mask.
You would get egg in your face, would you?
Oh.
Oh yeah, got the bad boys. Ganja green.
Follow me away, 'cause we can't stay here. Let yourself go, you got nothing to fear. You'll never be alone, let the highway be your home. 'Cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world.
So I'm walking in the sunset. My knees turned weak, my head was spinning round. An angel dressed in velvet. I tried to speak, but couldn't make a sound. The sun reflecting in her eyes as I was standing hypnotized. Her laughter when she turned around knocked me over to the ground. Medic, man down, March got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh, medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my only antidote.
Not sure if you can hear me, but it's windy. And I'm attempting to get into the sea. All this floating bits. So we're at Cockleshell Bay. The only thing is there's 4 other ships in. And I think most of them all come to this beach. So it's mighty crowded. And there's one of the old posh ones taken over the original beach we're going to go to. It's like South Friar, Pambola Bar, whatever it's called. They've hijacked that beach themselves, greedy bar stewards. So we're on here, opposite Nevis over there. I'm just fighting through the seaweed to malarkey. It's a little bit rough actually. Not sure you can hear me because the wind is quite choppy actually. Still nice though.
I've searched everywhere to find her. Searched everywhere. Is she a dream or in reality? I'm not the man I once was. I'm drifting like a ship that's lost at sea. When I close my eyes, she's all I see. I can't find no remedy. My heart's a villain in my chest. She made a cardiac arrest. Oh,
about 7 AM. Just thought I'd show you this. This is a typical thing on Arvia, why you can't find a deck chair. Because this is not the main part of the ship, but I'm guaranteed it's the same everywhere else. You put the towels out now to reserve the beds for the day. Then go to breakfast. Duh. Apparently some people go about 6:30, 7 o'clock. Well, it's 7 o'clock now, so, but yeah, just to let you know, it is a mission to find a deck chair on a sea day. There's lots of them, don't get me wrong, but you can get up to this, what I call the seal sanctuary. Lay there in like a luge position. It's quite busy, put it mildly. Look, there's people there now that they're putting the deck chairs out. I wonder if they're going to stay. They're thinking about it. That, where should we go? Should we go down there? Oh no, we'll go for breakfast. That's what we'll do. So what's this? So all the salt is on the inside. Can't work that one out. Does anyone tell me why the salt is on the inside more than the outside? No salt? Lots of salt.
The weather at present is partly cloudy with sunny skies, sees a slight with a fresh breeze of 15 to 20 knots from the east. The outside air temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, which is 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and the weather for the rest of the day is to remain the same, with the sunshine continuing throughout the afternoon and easterly winds. I hope you all have a wonderful day at sea on board Arvia.
What is this picture? What
A Caribbean crew.
I've never heard of it before. Just in case you watched the video, Dave, happy birthday. Well, happy 50th. Did you wish Dave happy birthday? Room service. Just locked myself out. We've just seen Dave's 50th. It's mine next year. Oh my god.
Right, Spence?
Spencer's doing the splits, man. Barbados, last day. See you on the beach.
Welcome to Barbados, guys.
Thank you. Sorry about that.
He wanted it loud.
Yeah, I did. That's cool.
You have to make me more famous than I am, okay? Because I've already drive Rihanna already.
Have you?
So you have to come better than that.
Paynes Beach, apparently. That place down there is one sandy lane. So, yeah. Not bad. Well, we have just come to the end of the cruise and the video. Thank you for watching and making it to the end. Much appreciated. Well, it's just enough time to jump in the hot tub before we set off home on the 8-hour flight. If you've seen us on board, please leave us a comment below, or if you have any questions. But it is actually time to say goodbye from us and the Arvia. So don't forget to smash up the like button if you enjoyed, and it'd be really cool if you also subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. See you next time. Cheers. Bye bye.